in the integrity of the Bhushan's has once again been questioned. In fact, Times now has accessed the copy of papers that are doing the rounds showing that Bhushan's actually evaded stamp duty during the purchase of a bungalow in Allahabad. Nandita Suneja joining us with those details, holding the papers in her hands. Nandita, what do the papers really say?
Well, Rupali, what we have is basically a copy of a sale deed that was entered into between Shanti Bhushan and owners of a bungalow in a very posh locality of Allahabad. This is the sale deed, and there you can see Mr. Shanti Bhushan and signatures and also names of family members right here. What really these papers allege is that a property which is of the size of some 7,800 square meters was exchanged hands and was bought by the Bhushans for a mere 1 lakh rupees. This agreement was reached into in 1966, but according to today's rates, the registry that was done of this flat has come under major question, because what we have also are papers from the district administration of Allahabad which show that the stamp duty that ought to have been paid in this transaction is somewhere around 1 crore 33 lakhs, and what was actually paid was a mere 46,000, which is about 0.35% of what the Bhushans should have paid as stamp duty. So questions now definitely being raised about the integrity of these two people who have been trying to pose as crusaders against corruption and who have been made members on that joint committee of the drafting bill of the Lokpal. And this is coming right on the heels of this huge movement where the government was being cornered time and again. And today's newspaper reports which talk about the lot allotment in Noida, and these papers which have been spoken about by various politicians, but we've got these papers which clearly show that the Allahabad authorities are writing to the Bhushans, accusing them of evasion of stamp duty to the tune of crores. These are some serious allegations now surfacing against those who are claiming to be crusaders against corruption, and therefore there are some serious questions that these two will now have to answer. Rupali.
All right, Nandita, they're bringing us those papers. In fact, the Bhushans now allegedly involved in a stamp paper controversy.